Hi, my name is Clarissa and I'm from PLMGS Secondary. In school, when I first took my POA exams, I used to be really good at it. But as the topics became harder, I started failing POA. After I joined Ace Your POA, I started to see an increase in my grades, and soon I got grade 1 for my N Level. First, his teaching methods are really good and really effective and very easy to understand. Second, his materials are very easy to understand as well, because all his points are very simple. Third, Mr. Quek is a very charismatic teacher and he is always open to us asking him questions about POA. Mr. Quek told us that if we pay attention in his class, we would hear him echo in our ears during the major exam. At first I thought it was a joke, but when I took my major exam, it actually happened. What makes Mr. Quek different from other tutors is that I am able to relate to him very well on an academic level and on a personal level, because he is the kind of person that you can just click very well with. I would like to thank Ace Your POA, and I would like to thank Mr. Quek for helping me for my POA exams and helping me get the points for N Level.